In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Waveful app and become a creator. Waveful is a social media app where you share photos, videos, lifestyle moments, art, and edits, and can earn points based on engagement. Those points convert into Waveful coins, which can unlock rewards and features. Firstly, go to the Play Store or Apple App Store, then search for Waveful. Install the app and sign up using email, Google, Apple ID, or TikTok or Instagram if available. Create your username and profile picture, then tap your profile icon, then tap Edit Profile. You can add a bio, add your links, choose a profile banner, and even select interest, which helps Waveful recommend content. Now, Waveful posts are called waves. To post, tap the plus button and select photo or video. Apply filters or edits, then add a caption and hashtags, and select public or friends only, then tap post. You get wave points from likes, comments, shares, views, consistent posting. The more people interact with your content, the more points you earn. Wave points can be converted into Waveful coins used for rewards. Also tap Explore to discover users in categories like editing, vlogs, gaming clips, fitness, etc. Like, comment and follow to build your community. And also Waveful has daily or weekly challenges that help you get extra wave points. For example, post a specific theme, join trending tags, or complete streaks. Check the challenges tab daily for bonus rewards. And if your account grows, enable creator mode and apply for Waveful Partner Program. Earn more wave points per post. This will help you to influencers and digital creators directly. And now you're ready to use Waveful like a pro.